Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to easily give fish jerky to your cat in Heartopia. So first, what is fish jerky? Fish jerky is a special cat food item that helps restore your cat's energy. But here's the important part, you can just use it anytime. To give this fish jerky, your cat energy needs to be low, usually below 50%, this one. And if your cat energy is still high, don't worry, you can just simply play with your cat to reduce its energy faster. And once your cat's energy drops below 50%, just tap on your cat and then tap on the food like this, and then just simply tap this energy fish fish jerky like this. Just take this, and then next just tap on feed like this, and just like that, or your cat's energy will be increased automatically. And this this step is especially useful because giving fish jerky is sometimes required in gossip class or daily class. So if you get a quest like asking you to give fish jerky to your cat, just make sure your cat is tired first, then just feed it. And okay, that's it. Super easy, right? If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.